media, introduction and evolution of media, or you can say history of media. If we talk about media in Indian perspective, Indian media consists of several different types of communication, like television, radio, cinema, newspaper, magazine, and internet-based websites and portals. If we trace history of Indian media, it was active since late 18th century with print media started in 1780, radio broadcasting initiated in 1927, and the screening of Auguste and Louis Lumiere moving pictures in Bombay initiated during July 1895. It is amongst the oldest and largest media of the world. And media in India has been free and independent through most of its history, even before establishment of Indian Empire by Ashoka the Great, on the foundation of righteousness, openness, morality, and spirituality. During period of emergency 1975 to 1977, which was declared by that time Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, was the brief period when Indian media was faced with potential government retribution. Our country consumed 99 million newspaper copies as per survey of 2007, making it the second largest market in the world for newspaper. And by 2009, India had a total India had total more than 8 crore internet users, comprising of 7% of country's population. So if we compare with present time scenario, we get at present time approximately more than 90% of people using internet. So this was scenario of different type of media. Now, what is mass media? The Bengal Gazette was started by James Augustus Hickey in 1780. The Gazette was a two-sheet newspaper specialized in writing on private lives of sahibs of the company. He dared even to mount spoliation attack on Governor General Warren Hastings' wife, which soon landed the late printer to honorable company's terrible. Hickey was sentenced to a 4-month jail term and 500 rupees fine at that time, which didn't deter him. After a bitter attack on the Governor General and the Chief Justice, Hickey was sentenced to 1 year in prison and fined 5,000 rupees at that time, which finally drove him to penury. These were first tentative step of journalism in India. Other case was Masings and Peter Reed were pliant publisher of India Gazette, unlike their infamous predecessor. The colonial establishment started in the Calcutta Gazette. It was followed by another private initiative in Bengal Journal. The Oriental Magazine of Calcutta, Amusement, a monthly magazine which made 4 weekly newspaper and 1 monthly magazine which was published in Calcutta. In Madras, Madras Courier was started in 1785 in the southern stronghold of Madras, which is presently known as Chennai. Richard Johnson was founder. It was government printer. Madras got its second newspaper when in 1971, Hughes Baird, who was the editor of the Courier, quit and founded Hurkaro. Tragically for the paper, it caused publication when Baird passed away within a year of its founding. The first media merger took place in when Bombay Gazette, which was started in 1791, merged with Bombay Herald by following years, like Madras Courier. This is new entity was recognized as publication to carry official notification and advertisements. A Chronicle of Media and State by Jibes Bakshi in the Sarai Reader 2001 is handy timeline on the role of the state in the development of media and for more than a century. Bakshi divided timeline into 3 ages. The age for formulation, which started with the Telegraph Act 1885 and ends with report of Subcommittee on Communication, National Planning Committee 1948. तो ये तो एक इनिशियल पॉइंट्स था जिसको मीडिया के सेंस में मीडिया कैसे इंडिया में इमर्ज हुआ